Here at GreenTech, we hope you're thoroughly enjoying your pureAir product and all of the benefits it brings to your home. Just like with any air handler, it needs to be regularly cleaned and maintained to ensure longevity and peak performance. We'll show you how. First, you need to turn the unit off and remove it from your neck. Spray a small amount of canned compressed air into the top of the unit to dislodge any particles that may have adhered to the ionizer electrode. Ensure the unit is completely dry before placing it back in use. We recommend that you perform this procedure at least once per month to ensure that your pureAir is giving you the desired results for years to come. As always, thank you for being a valued GreenTech customer. We're so thankful that you choose to keep your home clean with us. For more information, please visit our website at greentechenv.com.